In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tracking categories in Xero. Tracking categories are a helpful way to organize your financial data in more detail. They let you tag transactions so you can later filter reports and see how different parts of your business are performing. For example, you might use them to track departments, locations, projects, or product lines. Once you understand how to set them up and apply them, reporting becomes much more useful and much easier to analyze. First, sign into your Xero account. Make sure you're logged into the correct organization before you begin, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, go to the main menu and click Accounting. From there, open Accounting Settings, and then select Tracking Categories. This is the area where you can create and manage the categories you'll use across your transactions. When the Tracking Categories page opens, click Add Tracking Category. This starts the setup process. You'll then need to enter the category details. Begin by typing a category name that clearly describes what you want to track. After that, add the tracking options that belong under that category. These options are the individual labels you'll choose from later when entering transactions. It's a good idea to keep the names short, clear, and consistent so your reports stay easy to read. Once you've entered the category name and the tracking options, click Save. At this point, the tracking category is available for use in your Xero organization. Now that it's set up, you can use the tracking category when creating or editing transactions. As you enter a bill, invoice, spend money transaction, or another supported entry, look for the tracking field and select the appropriate option. This step is important because it's what connects the transaction to the category and makes the reporting possible later on. If you're editing an existing transaction, you can also assign the tracking category there as long as the field is available. After selecting the tracking category, save or approve the transaction, depending on your workflow. Be sure to check that the correct option is selected before finalizing it, since accurate tagging leads to more reliable reporting. To review the results, open a report in Xero and look at the data by tracking category. This allows you to compare performance across the categories you created and gives you a clearer picture of where income or expenses are coming from. That's how to use tracking categories in Xero. Thanks for watching.